Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, wanted to explore Writerzen a little bit further for you. Those of you who are not familiar with Writerzen, it is one of the most powerful tools that are out. And I think they have a good deal on it right now. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe, or as I'm always giving you different tips and hacks to try to help you grow your business and move your bottom line. Listen, this tool, Writerzen, I've been on it for a while. I've been kind of holding it back because it is a full-blown SEO machine, and I just didn't know where to start with it. So I thought I'd share with you a couple of different things that it does well, and I'll share it over a series of videos, and I want to make them really short. And I'm only going to spend a couple of minutes with you with this particular tool. But if you're not familiar with Writerzen, Writerzen is an SEO machine, search engine optimization. So what I used to do was I used to try to I got bits and pieces of SEO, search engine optimization tips, and I never knew where all the power really lied, and I didn't know if these are good words or good phrases. This tool allows you to find out who has the #1 ranking domain for a particular word. So for this particular word, this is retirement planning. Who has the #1 domain? That would be Fidelity, right? And so on and so forth. These are big companies, and they pay a lot to stay at the top. They want their information to come up first when it comes to search, but doesn't mean you can't find your opportunities and squeeze in ways to generate revenues for yourself and or your clients. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about today, I'm going to give you 5 key things that I love about it, but let me give you one of the best features, and a lot of people don't even know about it, because once you open up Writerzen, there's a million things you can do. I've tried a couple of other SEO tools, but the one that I found is the easiest and the most comprehensive is Writerzen. And this tool here called Forecast. So what Forecast does is it takes your particular revenue forecast based off a keyword and based off where you'll rank, right? And that keyword, if you can get to the top 5, estimated traffic of 283,000, then you can have an estimated revenue of, 135,000, right? Because what you have to do is you have to put in your conversion ratio, how many people are converting, right? And then you have your average revenue per conversion. You have to put that in there as well. And then you have to put in your expected revenue per purchase. So if you can convert 1.76 people and your expected revenue is 500, then you just hit apply and it changes. So if you were ranking a top 1 percentile, you notice that the revenues go up, right? 451,000. But if you rank at least in the top 10, right, it's a big difference. Estimated is 42. If you can get in the top 5, estimated revenue is 135,000, and in the top 3, 264. So really the power is at the top tier, right? That's where most of the money is being made. That's where your bigger companies are making the most money, but you still can get, I think you still can get in the top 10. And then you put in your numbers here and it tells you the search volume. And this is all based off of this particular keyword. So this is a very sneaky feature. They call it ESKP. I forget what that stands for. But that's what they call it there, the ESKP report, and it'll tell you estimated revenue that you can generate off of that keyword. So I'm going to be covering this. I'm going to do these little 5-minute, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why Writerzen is probably one of the best SEO tools. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons, and I'm going to only use 5 minutes to give you one. So this is your first reason. All right. This has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. You guys take care. Be safe out there. Goodbye for now.